Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pidre. As you guys know that in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. So if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another wonderful powerful video like this. So guys, today this is another edition of video. I've made a video with this strategy on how to trade it using boom 1000. So and this video is only on crash 1000 on 1 hour time frames. So that's why I'm making another video with this strategy so that you guys can really understand how this strategy really works. I told you guys in the first video that in everything that you need to do, these are the most important areas that you need to watch out for. You see, these areas are very important area you need to watch out for. The first thing you need to do is to always check out your moving average on your main charts, because the importance of moving average on main charts is very active, because they show you the downtrend and the uptrend of the market. Like what we are having currently now on 1 hour time frames in crash 1000. Now what we are having is a downtrend market. We have already seen it, and the market have already cleared it for us that we are having a downtrend market, because we are having our moving average that cross above the above the trade. You see that? So and if it is going to be a uptrend, we are going to be having our moving average on a downtrend. You see that? That's exactly how moving average work on our main chart. You see that it keep on spike down. It keep on spike down. You see, that's how it works. So you see that. So now let me explain in details how you can use this strategy to catch up a lot of trade successful. What you only need is your window one, and you need to understand your price very well. You need to understand how price works, how price works when price is in uptrend and when price is in downtrend. So in our alligator, which is our window one, we are having something here. We are having three type of line here, which is we are having the blue line, and we are having the red and the green. You see that? So anytime we are having the red and the green crossing below the blue line, it means the market is a downtrend. So you can use that opportunity to enter your trade and trade it for long period of a long period of time, because we are on a downtrend. You see this particular spike that just spiked now. You see, if you go and check your 1 minute time frames, or you check your 5 minute time frame, you will see that it is a very long spike. It is a very long spike. So let's check that. Let's see what is going to happen. On 1 minute, you see it is a very long spike. It spiked from this level and to this level, because if you are trading it on 1 minute time frames, man, you might like think maybe there's still an uptrend in the market, but unknown to you that our 1 hour is already giving us a downtrend market. So that's why I make this video for you guys to see and have the clear view from the 1 hour time frames. You see, so let me tell you guys how to trade this successfully. And anytime you are having a crossover that is happening on our alligator, one thing you need to check is to check your moving average on our main chart. Your moving average will interpret it and get the meaning very right. Now we are having our moving average crossing over. It's also giving us a downtrend, which means we are safe at this area. Now you are safe to enter a spike entry, because you can see it keep on giving us a downtrend. So that's how it works on that. So let me show you some of the example that you also need to understand. You see, I told you when the green and the red line is crossing below, that is a downtrend. But anytime you are having our green area that is crossing above, this is an uptrend. Once it is crossed above, this is an uptrend. So what thing you need to do is to look that moving average at that particular moment, where the moving average is falling into. The moving average now, the interpretation of the moving average now is that we are having a what? A uptrend, because the moving average move on the what? On the below level. That means we are having a what? A uptrend. Now you are what? You are at safe hand. So if you enter the market at this particular moment, no spike will work against you until you reach your what? You reach your goal. So what you just need to do is always make sure you reach your you set up your stop loss, and you set up your your take profit, just to avoid some a lot of errors in the market. So that is exactly how this strategy works. So let me show you the settings of this strategy, in case if you have not watched my first video on the settings. Let me show you how these settings really works. So on our settings, we are having our moving average on our main chart, which is the period of 20, the shift of 2. We have method to be simple, apply to close, and we have this as our color. You press on done, and also you move to your alligator, you screenshot it or you write it down the way I do it here. Let your method always be in linear weight, and also set it up like this. You see that? Just write it down, then you press on done. Then you have same settings the way I have it here on my on my chart. So it helps you a lot, because you can open any trade with a lowest loss size, and you can trade it for long period of time before you closing it. You see the spike keep on spiking. Let's check what is happened in 1 minute time frame. You see another spike has happened in 1 minute time frames. So you see it keep on spiking, because in our 1 hour we are on a downtrend. You see at this particular level now, I should have entered this trade, but I think I missed that because of the video I'm preparing to make. So I will have keep on taking this particular trade at this moment. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and like our videos, and you can also click on our notification bell to notify you when next we drop another wonderful strategy like this. So I hope this strategy help you guys to catch up a lot of things in the market. Thanks.